me. Don't claim, don't come again, no. You know my name, be a
Don't be shy, and off it move until I see your light. I'll cry a river if I fit one line.
If I'm supposed to talk about goodness with you, I would say she is the best thing in this world right now. But that statement is what everybody would use. So if I'm going to classify that word, I would say she is a being that I've never experienced before. She is an individual who is beyond explanation. She is beautiful. She has a bright soul. She is nice. And if I was supposed to do this life again, it's the same person I would do this life with. Goodness, Obiora, Iberi Chuky, you are loved by me. You are loved by God. I love you very much.
I can't even count. Like, it's really like I know you forever. Like, I've known you forever. You're my favorite person in the whole world. I'm so happy I'm here to actually witness your day. Like, it finally came, babe. It finally came.
Let men rise and call you blessed mother. Let nations submit before you. Be a bridge between all the people of your husband. Kibulu wa yudo. Kibulu omekanie. Ni na my wife ubo. Udo ko jibata na family.
Girl, make you go gaga. Go gaga. Baby girl, make you go gaga.